How to search a text in multiple Excel files. In this tutorial, we will show you step-by-step process to search a text in multiple Excel files using Forensics DiskOver tool. To install the Forensics DiskOver tool, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch it. This represents the interface of the Forensics DiskOver tool. To begin, click on the Proceed button in the middle of the screen. Text-to-search bar enables user to enter keywords they want to search. Filter option enables the user to filter their search accordingly. Select the case-sensitive filter option. If this option is enabled, then the search will only match the text exactly as it is typed, including capitalization. Select the Match Exact Word filter option. If this option is enabled, then the search will only match the text if it is the entire word. Select the File Extension filter option. This option allows you to specify the file extensions that you want to scan. Select the Ignore File filter option. This option is capable of ignoring hidden and read-only files while searching for the entered keywords. Location to Scan option enables the user to select location for the search process. My Computer Scan Location option searches the computer for the entered keywords according to the filters applied. Local Drive Scan Location option scan the local drives and external drives from the systems for the entered keywords. If you have external drive installed in your system, a new option for external drives will appear in between the Local Drive Scan Location option and the Select Drive and Folders Scan Location option. Select Drive and Folders Scan Location option scans all the selected drives and folders from the systems for entered keywords. This bar shows the location of the selected drives and folders. Let's begin with this tutorial. Enter keywords that you want to search in the bar next to Text-to-Search option, separated by commas. Select the File Extension filter option and enter file extensions. For example, let's enter XLS and XLSX file extensions, separated by commas. Select location to search for the entered keywords. Click on Browse button to select folder or drive from within the system. Click Select Folder option in order to select the folder to scan for entered keywords. Click on the Search button to begin the search process. Shortly, a new window will appear showing the result for the selected scan. Click on a file to preview the result for search keywords. A preview screen showing the preview of scanned files will appear next to it. Let's initiate the export process. After applying the desired filters, click on the Export button on the top right corner and choose a destination folder to export data. Click on Select Folder button and it will initiate the export process. A pop-up showing export was successful will appear on the screen. Click on OK. You have successfully exported the locations of the files for the entered keywords. Exported file will be saved in CSV file format. User can preview the result using Notepad or Excel. Let's check the exported report. Column A shows the name of the files. Column B shows the size of the files. Column C shows the location of the files. Entered keywords can be viewed here. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.